If you're an e-commerce business, you probably know your target audience very well, their age, their tastes, and their spending power. You also know that when they place an order, the sooner they receive it, the happier they are. And when you market your products so well, you don't want your fulfillment operation to let you down. Which is why ProSKU, with standard integration to a wide range of marketplaces, shopping carts and ordering systems, can provide a solution to help both sides of your business succeed. But capturing orders is only the start of what ProSKU can do. As a stock system with real warehouse management functionality, it can benefit every part of your physical storage operation. Whether you're receiving, picking, adjusting, or stock taking, ProSKU helps you work effectively to create accuracy and productivity, improving performance while controlling costs. Efficient automated order processing and a flexible real-time picking app are just two of the things ProSKU provides, along with a dispatch process that allows you to verify orders, generate documentation, and integrate with chosen carriers for labeling and consignment tracking. So, when an order leaves your premises, you're not only confident it's what the customer wants, you also know you've delivered it to them in the most efficient way for your business. And that's what it's all about, putting a smile on your customer's face while keeping one on your own.